To add a magnifier widget to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra home screen, so you can easily set your camera as a magnifier. On your home screen, long tap on an empty area, and then tap widget at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen to find magnifier widget, or you can quickly find this widget by typing its name on the search bar. Tap magnifier widget, and then tap add to add this widget to an empty area on your home screen. Now you can easily use your camera as magnifier by single tapping the magnifier widget. While you are using magnifier, you can adjust the magnification level. To do so, slide the adjustment bar to the right to increase the zoom level, or slide it to the left to decrease the zoom level. If you need an extra light, as the example, when you are using magnifier in the dark, you can tap torch icon to turn on your camera flash. Here you can also change the screen brightness, screen contrast, and screen filter. To do so, tap filter icon. To adjust the screen brightness, slide the screen brightness adjustment bar to the left or to the right. Well, to adjust the screen contrast, slide the screen contrast adjustment bar to the left or to the right. By default, the magnifier doesn't use any filter. If needed, you can apply a filter so you can see better with this magnifier in certain condition. To apply a filter, swipe the filter section to the right and then choose the desired filter to use. As the example, if you are a hunter or a search and rescue team and you need to trace something or read a map at night, you can apply white blue filter because more detail and color differences are visible when you are using blue light. To stop using your camera as magnifier, close the camera. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.